Hello everyone, this is Ida from Retekess official website. Today I will show you how to program the model number SU668, and this one is very easy to operate. We can see that there are four keys on the pages. This one is for stop and this one is for learn. It means that we can press this key to program the pages, and this is for change the prompt mode, and this one is for reset. There are two charging pins. We can put it in the like this, like this, and this is the charging base. This is a box, and this is the keypad and the adapter for the charging base and the keypad. Okay, I will show you how to program the pages. We can see that this is the number is 12. I will call the 12 and then press the enter. We can see that there are lights, vibration and beeper. We can press this key to stop it. Okay, I will press the new number for 7. For 7. We can use a sharp stick to program it like a pin, and we can then this is for line program. After we press it, we can see that there are all the lights has light, but the lights will turn off after 5 minutes, so we need to program the new number within 5 minutes. I will try it again. Lights and for 7 and press the enter key. We can see that the number have changed to 7. Then we program it successful. After you press the new number, the old number will removed from this page. I will call the 12. You can see that there is no action. So after we program it, this number will be changed to the new. No need to clear the previous number. It is very easy to operate. Did you know how to program it? If not, you can send me a message to my email sale@retekess.com. So thanks for your time. Bye.